My name is Laurie Borse, and my brand is Laurie Borse. The inspiration for this collection is old Hollywood glamour, 1950s movies, theater, architecture, and dance. My mother and father loved to dance. They used to ballroom dance, and that's the first time I saw an evening dress on my mother, which has inspired me throughout my life. The women who wear my brand are successful, positive, powerful, vibrant women who are not afraid to make a statement, whether it's bold or subtle. They will be noticed in a Laurie Borse. The current trend that I'm looking at and loving is the jumpsuits. They're easy to wear, and you don't have to think too much about what you need to wear. The skyline, the restaurants, the theater, the architecture, the diversity in the city, lovely people everywhere, and the events, the fashion events, and there's inspiration everywhere to find here in Chicago. My experience with the AIBI is nothing short than fantastic. Amber and Kat are there when you need them. If it's finding a seamstress or a pattern maker, they're the one to call. They're professional, and they give wonderful advice, and they're supportive of you, and they're always there. The AIBI is wonderful.